Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and I am going to finally try these out. It's the Static Nails Reusable Pop-On Manicures. I got this a while ago, and these nails are pretty much, yeah, there's some damage, but they're doing a lot better. Look at that. The thumbs obviously need a little bit more. I trimmed off the dead nail, so just want to have something pretty on my nails over the weekend. I'm going to my Color Street conference next Thursday, so I'll be taking these off before that and putting Color Street on. Yeah, so, but I'm going to try these in the meantime. So, Static Nails. Get a perfect non-damaging manicure in seconds for a fraction of the salon cost. Wear them weeks straight or a few days at a time. So I think I'm just going to do a few days at a time. How to apply: clean natural nails, wipe nails with nail polish remover after buffing if you have oily nail beds. Select the best fitting nail for each finger, blah blah. Thin layer of glue on the back of the static nail, and then a generous layer of glue on your entire nail. Allow the glue to tack up for 6 seconds. Align the static nail under the cuticle and press down with your thumb. Hold and squeeze firmly for 30 seconds, ensuring the entire nail receives pressure. And you can customize them, of course. Perfect. Okay. So my nails, my hands are clean and washed. I do have strengthener on, which I am going to leave on. But that's it. So Super Hold Coffin. I do like the little container. That's cute. So let's open this up. Oh! As I make a mess. Cute. Oh, nice and slick. Nice, nice, nice. I'm going to put this upside down. I'm just going to zoom you out a little bit just to see this part. Comes with a nail file, the glue, nail glue. Perfect. I have the glue sitting like that. Oh yeah, that's a nice length. Perfect. So let's zoom in now. Yeah, that's gonna be cute. So I'm gonna make sure to set everything aside. It's gonna be like right outside the camera. So both thumbs. As I try to move them. Yeah, okay, there we go. I like the pink and sparkly. Looks good. And that is a little too big. That's the too big one. Okay. That's good. So just making sure to size them. We do want to, hard to tell sometimes. They're probably numbered, but you know. Okay, I am back. I am gonna just use rubbing alcohol and clean off the nails before I glue. So yeah, just my little alcohol container. So I'm just doing that. And like I said, I'm keeping my nail strengthener on. There we go. So let's see. Oh, nice little tab. There we go. So put a dot here. There we go. Okay, and then a nice amount on the whole nail. Oh, so make a mess. Okay. Put it on, make sure it's straight. Oh, I didn't let it be tacky. Oh well. I'm just gonna hold it down for a few seconds. It said to wait 6 seconds and then put it on. I will try that with the next one. But I like to press and hold anyway, so there we go. So let's try this again. So I'm gonna put a nice amount on my nail. And rub it there. Sure it's covered. Am I on camera? Sorry if I'm not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll just do 10 seconds. Nice. Those are cute. Keep on keeping on. Mm-hmm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're just gonna press and hold. Is it on properly? Yep. So far so good. I do like how it doesn't go squirting out. What? It's the glue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it's under the cuticle. This one's just slightly too short, but it's not curved too much, so you can see a little bit. Wish it was a little bit bigger. I need one that's a little bit bigger than this. This is too small for it. Just, you know, problems. I'm gonna save my thumbs for last. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far so good. I usually glue. Oh, there's some glue spilled out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I usually have more of a mess, honestly, so that's not too bad. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. A little bit of glue. So far so good. As I said, I usually make a bigger mess. And I think I only had press on, what, a couple weeks ago I wore them. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What did I pick? A bigger one on my, whatever. Look, the 2 pinkies are different sizes. Oh well. My pinkies are different sizes, so that's fine. I noticed that this week, but that is a little big. Oh well. Press and hold, press and hold. Ooh, 3 more nails. They feel nice and, you know, they're not flimsy, I'm trying to say. They feel nice and sturdy, which is good. The sizes are okay overall. Lots of variety on small. Just the thumbs. Generous amount. And my thumbs are pretty big. This looks like it's the biggest size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These will be interesting to see if this stays on my thumbs. I didn't have a problem the last time I wore them a couple weeks ago, so I think I glued my fingers together. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, that's fun. Yeah, okay, I'm unstuck. We're good. It's all good. It's all good. Glue. Looks like I have glitter everywhere. Spreads on these, that's fine. Ooh, oh, why did I do that? I totally touched my glued finger. I have no idea why I did that, but I'm going to put a little bit more. Oh, ooh, that was crazy. Okay, now, been longer than 6 seconds on the first coat. Press and hold. Then I'm going to put this glue in my purse since I don't have one in there anymore. I'll just file the edges. Then I'm not going to wash my hands for like an hour. Just get the glue to settle. Okay, I am done. Well, I can just show you nice and up close. They look good. They remind me of the marmalade ones. They're very sturdy. I like that. It's fun to have nails on. Did I mess that one up? Probably, but that's okay. So let me see. I don't think rubbing alcohol is going to do anything magic, but yeah, I think it's fine. There we go. So let me zoom out. There we go. All done. So I'm going to have these on for a couple days, and then I'm going to do my Color Street manicure. Probably Wednesday night, so I'll have them on. I'll keep you up to date. So watch my next video. I will give you a update in that video. So on Tuesday's video, you will see an update. I should still be wearing these in that video, so look for that. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I appreciate you all. And hit that notification bell so be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. So thank you so much. See you next time. Toodaloo.